Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the right version and a backup. Install or update FR Legends now and back up your save. Once done, check your device level dark theme. Some builds respect system UI, others ignore it. If you plan to use mods or file edits, make sure you have storage access and a simple file manager app. Now, open the game and note whether UI is bright. This tells you if in-game settings alone will work versus requiring tweaks or third-party overlays. Start inside FR Legends. Navigate to Settings right arrow display and try any available UI color or theme options. Adjust HUD brightness if present. If the game lacks a native night mode, enable your device's system-level dark features, Android Force Dark or iOS Smart Invert, because they can remap bright surfaces to darker tones. If that's insufficient, run a color filter overlay app and lower gamma, reduce blue light. You're almost done. Test several races and menus, and adjust overlay intensity or system dark settings until in-game text, gauges, and replay visibility are clear. Make sure frame rate and touch response stay normal. Overlays can reduce performance. If anything breaks, restore your backup or disable the overlay immediately. Sometimes uninstalling the overlay and rebooting fixes HUD artifacts. If problems persist, switch to a different overlay app or revert to native settings. This resolves most compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.